This is my fourth MI360 camera. Before that, I purchased it on 2019 March and it is working fine. This is the first one I bought. Immediately after that, I got another two from Amazon on 13 April 2019. After that, I bought another one in this festival season 2028. So basically, this camera is working very well. That means you can watch videos from any places in the world. Even if you are from another country, you can watch or videos from this camera. Also, talk back to this camera. Also, you can share with your family members so they can also watch the camera from anywhere in the world. That is the biggest advantage, because if you go outside or your friends or relatives are from another country, they can also watch their loved ones using this camera. Also, they can talk back to them using that talk back feature. Let me show you how I set up this camera. As you can see, all three cameras are added as shortcut in my desktop. If I need to watch outside, I use this camera as a CCTV camera, like a proper CCTV setup. I can look around like this. Also, this camera have motion sensor. That means it will only record when a motion is detected. Otherwise, it will not record. You can set up like that. 24/7 surveillance mode is available. Also, human detection is there. When a human movement is detected, it will alert via application. uh, Also, there is 24x7 recording. If necessary, you can record 24x7, but I set this only for record when emotion is detected. So but the sensitivity can be adjusted, but still it will record for every small minute changes in the environment. So it is not that great, but still it is better than nothing. Okay, so this is a footage, many footage. It is recorded in the late night. So I don't care, because I increased the sensitivity to maximum, so otherwise it will miss the human movements also. So I did that, say, sensitivity to high. And this is another camera that is on the next side of our home. This is also in outdoor, so this camera survived pretty well, because this is a small indoor security camera, but still it is able to survive the harsh weather conditions of outdoor, because we are from Kerala. We have pretty much almost 6 months or more rainy season, and humidity is higher. Still, this camera have zero problems, and I just one time only I cleaned the lens on this camera. Other than that, you don't need to clean the camera frequently, because the dust will not affect that much. And this one another camera is set up in a hall, so I can see that people who is watching TV, etc. So that is the three camera currently I'm using. And the Evo card I purchased along with this uh, uh, camera is working for last 1.5 years without any problem. So I trust this card, so I buy that same card again. And this is the new box we get. MI360 camera, I don't believe this is new box, because it look exactly the same as last one maybe, but the manufacturing date is June 2020. So this is a brand new box. came with charger and the mounting accessories look exactly the same as last one. The charger got some dust, I believe. It is not wrapped in plastic, so it is permanent. That's fine, because who cares, right? It's a little 5 watt USB adapter and the good old micro USB cable and a quick start gate. And finally we have the camera itself. Look exactly the same as last one. So now it is BIS certified, so there is an Indian government website address listed. Anyway, that's it. My fourth MI360 camera for home monitoring. To set up this camera, connect the adapter and wait. See, I connected the adapter, and as you can see, the light is turned on. It will rotate like this.
Scan QR code to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
Scan QR code from the device. Waiting for connection. That is the message you need to hear. Now open MI Home app like this. So it is showing that new device found. Check that.
Waiting for connection.
So show the QR code.
QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait.
Yes, connecting. Please wait. QR code scanned successful. So now select this, head the scanned successfully message.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Oh, what is this, man? Okay.
Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Device online. Oh, that is it, man. Done. Let's say garden. Okay. You can set a name. Garden. Next. Share this device. Okay, we can share this device if you need. This is the new camera. Garden. Agree to the terms and conditions. So now the camera is started working. I can rotate the camera. Also look up and down like this. Also I can share this camera with